If that guy or that girl is a wounded lion. Because if not, you will end up being a victim. Do you know many people who are bearing grudges, hunger in them? Many men and many women. Pray never to be a victim of it. And when you are going out with a woman that has a wounded heart, try to avoid so many things because you might end up losing your life at the process because she might think that, oh, you are still one of all these men. And for that simple reason, she will use you as an example to her. Same goes to men. Please, brothers and sisters, brother, sister, let's stop this thing. No good men, no good women. These men, before they become bad, now something. Some of these men, now the bad experience when they get. Just like one that day, he said, my sister, he said, I not feel like you. If you see the way they beat my woman, if you see the way they maltreat my woman, sister, not be my fault. Now because of the bad experience when I get, I know they respect my woman, to be frank. I no love her. No be say I no love, but I don't want to show and say I love her. I dey treat her anyhow like a piece of rag. He said, sister, now because of which I don't experience. First of all, family, my mama, papa abandoned me. I grow for streets. I don't get love. For that simple reason, as I grow up now, I can't begin to live a wayward life. I not me not they respect anybody. But really, sister, this is not the way I was brought up. As in, this is not the way I am. Like, now, not be say I take planner. But now because of what the world turned me into. Same goes to some ladies out there. The other one, for instance, see the same thing. She said, I wasn't like this. I lack of respect for my man. I don't respect him. I talk to him. I fight him any little thing. I fight in any little thing. I fight him. I don't care. He said, I asked her, why? He said, because it is what I've experienced in the past. No love. All the men I've come across, they always took me, my kindness for granted. So this time around, I say, any man that wants to come my way, they are going to suffer it. And I'm going to continue to deal with them. I say, oh no, sister, you have to retrieve. I was like you before. I was so hungry. But I retrieved my step because I believe that life is like that. You can't, because of what people did to you in the past, to become something you are not. If you are in this shoe, I tell you today, retrieve your step. Stop making that man, that woman to think you are not a good person. Let your past go. It is time to make a decision. It is time to move on. It is time to let it go. It is time to close that whole chapter. It is time to start a new life. Do not allow what you have passed through makes you to become something you don't dream to become. I know your heart has been broken. I know you are very angry, ready to devour anybody that crosses your path. How long are you going to continue this? How long you want to continue? How long you want to while in that anger? How long are you going to stay in that bitterness that is taking your life? Don't you know the more you are staying in that, the more you are hurting yourself. Maybe if you have children, you have kids, you'll be hurting these children as well. You see some of these women, government are taking their children from them because of what may have made them tongue to, like depression. So women are depressed for what men have done to them. Some men are depressed because they are crazy. You see some of them on Facebook, they are depressed, so not go area. They are crazy, some kind of crazy. Some men and women are so crazy. You just forget that fine clothes and fine face. They are very crazy, like seriously. Because of the breaking of heart. Imagine man, woman go do everything for you, buy you phone, do shopping for you, do everything for you. They cook for you, cook for all your friends, do everything for you. They give your family money. At the end, you will walk up to the woman that I'm done with you. When you never told this woman at the beginning that you don't need her. Don't you know some of us women, we are just too emotionally, like women, some of the women, quickly they fall in love. If man just show the small thing like this or tell the small thing like this, wow, they are going crazy. They are going crazy. They believe everything you say to them. If woman say to you, just like what my brother Ugo said, when a woman tell you, I loves you. I really truly loves you. She did. She eats. When she doesn't, you will see the sign in her. If na your money she come for, if na help she come for, you will know. And mind you, know the difference between someone that loves you truly than someone that is in need of help. So many girls and so many men, so many ladies and so many men are out there looking for help, not relationship, not to build a home with anyone. They are just there because they need a help. They need a place to stay. They need where to start up. And mind you, if you are this person who needed help from a man or woman, let the person know. So that when you finally get to that position, or when you finally made up to move on, this person will not be heartbroken. He will know that you once told him or her that you needed a chapter, like a where to stay, a place to start a new life. Let that woman know. If no one wants to take you the way you are, let them go. I say, let them go. I keep on saying this thing daily basis. If anyone don't want to take you the way you are, let them go. Don't hold them beyond. Don't beg them to stay. Tell them to go away. Show them who you are. Tell them what you need. If they cannot cope with it, let them go. So, sister, if you are in this show, looking for a place to put your head, let that man know. Don't deceive him. Because why? That man, you go give her no option than to treat other women bad again. Same goes to men. If you don't need that woman when you dey with now, let her know. Because maybe your old brother will be a victim. Maybe you will not be a victim as well. Because what you do to that woman, we can wait and make that woman turn to lion so. Another woman, when another man make a lion, you go see go jama, you go suffer for it there. So let us know our stand when it comes to relationship or the marriage. Don't go into any marriage with any man because of what you are getting from the man or the woman. Marry the woman because you truly love her, not because of what you want to achieve from her. So I'm done for today. They said, as they say, a word is enough for those who has ear. If you agree with this message, please share to others so they can listen to it. Europe women are good. Europe men are good. It is what some of them have experienced that make them to turn to something else. Imagine a guy that left in like Africa. In mindset is that if I go to Europe, hey, I go begin to do shentro. You see boy, you enter Europe, he go begin to clean his set. Use carrot white, they bleach his skin, they do everything. They carry trousers, they put for nyash. They gather dread for head. He thinking now, I want to clean myself up, make I begin to do shentro. Now the mentality we carry come up for Nigeria be that one. I want to begin to chop women money. I want to begin to promise the marriage to go. You are killing yourself. You are spoiling other guys' business opportunities. You are spoiling it. Guys in Africa, stop this mentality of yours. Stop this thing. When you are coming to Europe, just put it in your mind. I'm coming to Europe to make it. I am coming to Europe to work. I am coming to Europe to get my paper to stay and live a good life. Not this mentality of, if I come Europe, now woman will do me this, now woman will put me for us. No, struggle for yourself, because when you back those days in Africa, you struggle. Bros, what happened to that strongness of yours? What happened to that humbleness of yours? What happened to her? Yeah, you were not like this in Africa. Why we say Europe can't change you? Sister, you were not like this in Africa. What make you can't change? I know say some of you now make or take on a turn to like that. So we may just like the expectation when some of them they get. If I reach Europe, I don't want to do normal job. I want to go do a kunakuna. I want to do a shago. Take maker. Take B30 fly. Now so some of them get that for mind. That's why you see some of these guys these days. Now kunakuna they many parts. They work. They know they work. School they know they go. All their mentality right from Africa. If I come to Europe, I am coming to do a kunakunas. I am coming to build a full flat with a kunakunas. That is why you see so many of them today. Look at them everywhere. Job they are not going to. If you tell them to go and do 700 euro, they'll say, God forbid. Is this 700 euro job I want to use to make it, or that B4 flats in Africa? School they will not go. Job they cannot work. School they will not Eh? And some of these women they will turn out to become something else. Imagine you when they do a kuna. You know, so most of this when they do na job. So men no they take una serious. Some of una. Us France girls, Spain girls, girls, Italy girls, some of una. When they do that job, men no they take una serious. I know what I'm saying. I know. It's better for you to go and look for a job. Go school. Go school. Go school so that you will earn your respect. Go school. Go and get yourself a job. Be doing small job. I know to get a job is not easy. No, it's not easy. But try your effort. Try your best. You must not big macho in Africa. You must not do a kuna to build 10 flats. If God said you want to make it in life, you will make it. It doesn't matter how long it takes. The most important thing that you made it. If it like take you 20 years, 30 years to make it in a rightful way, it's better than you made it at the early stage and not end up. Imagine what I posted on Facebook. Someone got married. After some time, the husband returns the woman to his parents' house, saying that his body, his vagina, is condemning. Is condemning. Every man want to marry a woman they can enjoy. Not a woman where you will enter, it will be like a water. No. Some of these things, that is why so many women are becoming single mothers. Some of these men, they find out that, oh, your thing is like that. They will walk back and they will run. How can you imagine as a girl of 15 years, you entered Europe, 15, 14 years. You just do a kuna, can't reach 30 years, 35 years. You just 10 years. They do a kuna. But then when they do a kuna for 10 years, that one is still body. I know it's still body. I know say some of una now get angry. I bet una not angry, yeah? Why go make una not face una hear me so. So the truth has to be said. Like you have to be told. Like as a young girl, you don't you come Europe, a young girl, go school. Imagine only you want carry 30 things for maybe 10 years. You enter Europe at the 15 years. You do Ankakunakuda for 10 years, 8 years, 7 years, 9 years, 15, 20 years. How that body go be? God forbid. Yeah. Anyway, I've given my message. Oh, please, my people, let us all stop saying Europe men and Europe women are not good. We still have good men. We still have good women in this Europe. We all just have to learn. We all just have to work on ourselves. That is just the best way. Work on yourself. Try to avoid things that is not nice. That's it. Try and stop too expecting. Some of you expect too much. You go into a relationship, you want to go into that relationship because of expectation. You want to collect money, you want this, you want the woman to do this for you. No, it doesn't work that way. Lump sum. It is gradually processed. Some of you, your expectation going into a relationship, it is too much. That is why so many of you end up being miserable. Be heartbroken, like you see some guys, she not get character, not be say she not get character. It's just that his expectation was too much. That is the reason why he's saying that woman does not have a good character, because he was going into that relationship because of what he want to achieve from that woman. It was unfortunate that his expectation will not go wrong way. So later, it will be going about, oh, she doesn't have character. She doesn't have this. That is what I always say. When some men cannot manipulate you, they start saying you are rude. You don't have character. You are this, you are that. Some men are like that because what the mission they came for, they did not succeed. And may God continue to destroy, to disappoint any man or any woman coming into our life with a mission to destroy us. May God disappoint all of them in Jesus' name. Amen. So, my dear beloved brothers, keep on pushing. When it is time for you to make it in life, you will make it. You don't need any woman. You don't need anyone except only God. You get me? And while going into any relationship, don't go with so much expectation. When you go in with too much expectation, you will be so disappointed, like, wow, thinking the woman or the man is bad. They are not bad. You are the one that expects too much. That is the reason why you have been disappointed. I love you. I still remain your one and only Omonomose, one of Deutschland. Yes, in Mose, the royal queen, the royal lolo, and the boss lady. I still stand for peace. I love you all. As I used to say, I am not perfect. You are not perfect. We all are learning. This advice goes to me and you. I am learning from it. I am working towards it. Life is a mystery. We all, in this life, we will continue to learn. I always learn. So please, I will love you people. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as well, please, my beloved brothers and sisters, try and be reading some of my posts. You will enjoy it. It will encourage you and it will empower you. Please subscribe to Royal Imose. Yeah, Royal Imose Posh, one of them. Yeah,